out the beginning. Wait, we'll do this. Should we do this? I'm early. We can do this. Smash the like. We got 2 likes already. Smash the mother like. Get some things set up in the background. That's how you start a morning. I played a little guitar last night. This got me motivated to start. Man, do I suck though compared to this. Ding 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 ding. Good morning, everyone. Man, I effed up, so I'm not streaming to Rumble today. I completely blew that one. Coit in the house, Jason in the house. Jason is the artist behind that song you just heard. Give a like just for the song. I got some soft, sweet melodies coming. Hell yeah. One problem with these morning walks and these afternoon walks, seeing the sunrise and the sunset, is I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. My legs are nothing but nonstop itching. You show me again? Hell yeah. Don't chew you out. We got more Cardano on the plate today. We're gonna check out this new next gen. I don't know why. I just needed a catchy title. They've been around for a long time and have produced nothing, but they've gotten a lot of hype lately. They're in testnet today. We're going to check them out. Tesla had earnings yesterday. Who else had earnings? Someone besides Tesla. Who was it? Tesla and like Amazon or something? I don't remember. All right, let's see what we got going on. E-mini S&P up 7, NASDAQ up 70. Bitcoin's doing pretty good today. Let's see what the futures are doing. The futures are up about 365, 340. Gold down $5 at 1963, still at the higher end of its recent range. Natty gas flat. Silver down 16 cents, but it's up since I said It's a good time to nibble on it. Volatility over 19, but down 6 cents today. Bonds down another 14 ticks. Ugh. I'm getting destroyed in my bonds trade. Just when you think bonds can't go any lower, it does. Ugh. Man, what is up with my diastolic, man? I wonder if I take it again, how much lower it's going to be. Let's see. Let me just be cool, calm, collected. Why didn't you buy any Charlie, Kurt? He died laughing. Oh, Netflix. Oh, that's right. They keep raising prices. Did you start that House of the Usher yet? And Netflix is up. Monster move. Yeah, they're up $49, $50. What the? And I don't even know what they were up yesterday after the close. Let's see if they gapped up. It's at a high of 404. 134 over 90. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my diastolic. All right. I'll check it at the end, see how we're doing. No, you're going to watch it this weekend? I started rewatching Shoresy. If you have not seen Shoresy, you're missing out on one of the greatest shows of all time. Shoresy and Letterkenny. You don't know what you're missing, dude. That show is so freaking funny. I can't even state. Not only is it funny, it's just really well written, and the choreography and the acting and the way they do the music and the way they do the scenes. They do this thing a lot where they'll like put it in slow motion for a second, and oh, dude, it's a freaking masterpiece. All right, see what Tesla's doing. Tesla down $14. Yikes. Those shows are like sniffing spray paint. I don't know, bro. Letterkenny's like this weird show that you have to stick with it. It's a hard one. Trust me. It's a hard one at first. And I get where you're at, but if you stick with it, I mean, just stick with it. I don't know. Get stoned or something and watch it. But I enjoy it. You don't even have to be stoned. You just have to stick with it. It takes a while. It grows on you, and then because it's building. It actually builds a storyline, like a kind of a thing on. And you'll see these skids, and you're like, "Well, this is stupid." And the next thing you know, you can't wait to see more skids just because how funny they are. The show, well, I remember the first time I watched it, it was so funny that I could watch just like 10 minutes of an episode as I was going to bed. And I'm like, man, that was just too much. Then I'd go to bed and then I'd finish it later. But I probably rewatched Letterkenny at least twice. And I'll go 2.5 times. I'll probably go through it a few more times in my life. There's certain shows I just like to rewatch. Like I just rewatched Silicon Valley, and I know that was another one you didn't really like. You must not have much of a sense of humor. All right. Tesla's getting its ass handed to it. Coinbase down 22 cents. Now I want to do the Tesla math. 84.7, about the same. Tom, looks like that shift into B. Oh, shut the F up, Benjamin Coit. You're it. You can't, like, if you're really sitting there and thinking, oh, it looks like a good move one day in. I don't. Did you sell all your Cardano for Bitcoin? Was watching Reckoning video. Yeah, it does make sense, kinda. Based on what? No, based on what do you mean no? Oh, just yeah. You're trading. You're tinkering too much just to justify that Coinbase one. Alrighty, let's look at the chart. Yeah, it's kind of in a downtrend here. It looks like the Dixie. Kind of what could be a double top. VIX keeps on moving up. Keeps on moving up. Jason said go along the VIX. Total crypto market cap 1.06. No, I'm saying it's a good idea based on a couple days basing on it. I don't. Yeah, I know. You keep saying his. I haven't watched his video. It's his videos are all the same shit, bro. Bitcoin dominance going to go up, and altcoins are going to bleed. Altcoins, yeah, I already know. I've known that was going to be the case long before he started making these videos. And like I said in the Discord, I don't care. If you're worried about trying to be catching the perfect trade, then go for it, right? Like I mentioned, it's not a horrible idea to be all in Bitcoin, get into long-term Bitcoin capital gains, and then sell at a certain point to buy the altcoins. But whatever, dude. I'm not trying to. Maybe next time is different. Maybe that is different. Maybe the altcoin reckoning is different this time. I see a good value, I buy it and I hold. I'm a simple man. Cardano's 24 cents. Poll time. AK, will Cardano stay above 20 cents or will it dip below? So I'm not worried. Like I accumulate Bitcoin, I accumulate Ethereum, and I accumulate Cardano. I'm not trying to time perfectly. Not trying to do it based on what's happening. I'm a forward-looking person, Kurt. I don't backwards look. I forward look. Just put that in your pipe and smoke it. You're not all in. Also in Canada is bullshit for the nonsense. So there's no short term or long. So it's just what's your rate? What's your tax rate on trading crypto? Is it based on your income? I mean, either way, you're selling a coin, and whatever that rate is, you have to make that up now. So if you sell Bitcoin or you sell Cardano and you have to pay 20%, you're already 20% behind the eight ball on a coin that's going to 10x, 15x, possibly 20x. 20x is $5. You just wait. Like again, if you're trying to perfectly time buying Bitcoin and then selling Bitcoin to buy Cardano, and I don't got that much time on my hands, bro. It's all income bracket. So you sold into a loss? Yeah. I mean, if you're tax loss harvesting, then if you were to say I did this to tax loss harvest not because of Dracula's video, then I would have been like, yeah, I don't hate it. All right, Bitcoin dominance 52. Look at that. Oh, Benjamin Cohen's got a big ass boner right now. I say get it over with. And again, most of this is going to come just from a Bitcoin God candle. Bitcoin's going to get it like an ETF approval and pop like 10,000. It's going to catch a couple percent just right there. Well, it will have that effect, but I did it because stop watching his videos, man. Forward look. Be a forward looking person, Coit. Not financial advice. That's what I do. I don't care what Cardano is going to do over the next 6 to 12 months, as long as it gets back to here and infinity and beyond, right? I want Bitcoin to go up. I don't care about BTC relation. I really don't. I know that's some people's biggest things, but they're so annoying because most of these people be like, "Oh, you got a DCA and don't worry about it." DCA guys, DCA, 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 DCA. Just keep DCAing. But then they'll sit there and, oh, well, compared to Bitcoin, this coin does this and this coin does that. And if you do this and if you wait for that. Looking at the ADA, yeah, okay. Who freaking cares? This doesn't look bloody. This doesn't look bloody, Kurt. Like, how much more blood do you need? And again, backwards looking. You're a backwards looker. Yeah, that looks bloody. Who cares? I'm not worried about this. I don't care about this. I'm sitting here and waiting for the next this. And it's coming. Another, look at that. It's happened twice. Spike, spike. Blip, 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 blip. I'm waiting for the next blip, blip. This is just like looking at it versus fiat. The cheaper it gets, the more you should want to buy it. Why is your little brain telling you, oh, this is cheaper versus Bitcoin. Oh, I should sell it. Why is it when it's compared to dollars, the cheaper it gets, you want to buy it, but when it's compared to Bitcoin, the cheaper it is, you want to sell it? You realize? Check the ETH ADA chart. Check these nuts. Check the ETH ADA. Does that have a chart? I don't really see a chart for that. He's been right. Of course, look, dude. Again, it's all perspective. You're just looking at it at a different perspective now. And of course he's been right. And he could continue to be right. But who cares? The cheaper it gets, the more I buy. That's how I look at it. Maybe, again, I'm not trying to time a perfect trade. I'm not trying to buy one coin and figure out the time to sell it and worry about paying taxes on it to buy another coin, right? And then again, I got long-term capital gains I want to get into. So I just buy them. I buy Bitcoin, I buy Cardano, and I buy Ethereum. What if he's wrong? What if Cardano all of a sudden like has great news, like an institution filed an ETF for it or something happens and it shoots up to 50 to 75 cents? What if that, Kurt? Just because this is what's happened every time doesn't mean it's gonna. And again, I don't care. Let it go down to 400 satoshis. I don't care. I'll buy more. If this is a link to Benjamin Cohen, I'm banning you for life. Life's simple. They make choices. Exactly. Is this from Tokyo Drift? I don't even know what this is from. I know I don't have the sound on for you correctly. What is that from? All those people down there. Fine. Rick? I don't know if I've seen this. Why not? Is this a lot of money? I don't think I have. Money.
trust and character I need around me. And who you choose to be around you lets you know who you are. The one car in exchange for knowing what a man's made of. That's a price I can live with. Look at all those people down there. They follow the rules for what?
I wonder if this got me a copyright strike.
They're letting fear lead them.
What's it from? No, I do understand, Kurt. I don't think you understand. You still believe in crypto and BTC as a safe? Yeah, okay. I do understand that. I'm just telling you that, like, you do you, dude. I don't care. I'm just telling you that's not the way I trade, and I'm not going to trade. So that was Debbie Does Dweezeldorf. That was. Let me find the button. Jason. All right. That's a really long crickets. Solana doing really well. I should do a blood pressure check after all that. Kurt getting me all riled up again. Pepe, AVAX below $9. Ugh. 50% say yes so far. Only 2 votes. But only 2 people in the house. Yeah. Why did I even get out of bed today? I got out of bed today for Jason and Kurt. I'm getting ready to show some freaking great alpha. I showed great alpha yesterday. Can't believe Coit, you haven't looked at Charlie at all? Go watch a video of your boy Diap. All right, today, Junior. Casper, let's see how Casper's doing. No Velez today. Casper's still holding up pretty good. I'd rather buy Ergo just because I think there's more upside. Hopefully the Rosen Bridge comes soon. Today, let's look at AVAX getting hammered. I told you it's a garbage chain. Let's look at no price talk allowed in Axo Discords. I hate this guy. Is he a part of the project? 42 million supply. Okay, this is good information. We're gonna look at Axo trade. 45% are going to be rewards. Early adopter airdrop. Private sale. Treasury. What development tranches? So 45%, 50% are basically available to the public. Made a 5% seed, it looks like. You got 25% left in the treasury. Hopefully they got a lot of that treasury left. And plus these development tranches. This is kind of a weird token distribution. 1 year after platform launched. So these won't even be used until, and the platform hasn't launched. It just launched in the DevNet. Treasury, 2%, 2.5% available on platform launch with 4 years linear vesting. Private sale, 20% available on platform launch with 12 months. So 5% of the private sale can be sold on launch over the first year. People that got an airdrop, I don't know, platform rewards. So it looks like the reward. If this is like DeFi Kingdoms where you earn rewards and they don't, you have to like, they're locked. I'm not gonna be a big fan of that. We all know how earning lock rewards work out. The price pumps in the bull market. You can't get it out. By the time you can get it out, it dumps on your face, or you're an idiot. You believe it can go higher, and you're not one of the people that sold. 60 million. Before we get a little too much deeper in that, let's look at how TVL's going on Cardano. $187 million. That's down about 70. So fiat wise, it's down about 70 million. But Cardano wise, I think it's slipped. It was above Bitcoin and Thorchain. I think it was above Thorchain, but it's still holding pretty strong. And if you look at the ADA, super strong. It's at ish all time highs. How do I? And they should show me the ADA when I'm on 8. 770 million. I think the high was right at about 787, it looks like. MenSwap still holding the number one spot. Indigo number 2. What is going on here? Oh, yeah, Liquid number 3. Very, very strong platforms. And this is why I love their token so much. Because again, this is beating a dead horse. I know it. But when you look at market cap, explain. Lucy, you got some explaining to do. It makes no sense. LinFi. I'm a big fan of Meld. I think Meld's going to be a really successful chain. So I don't have a problem with this market cap. Milk, 20 million. It's above MenSwap, less TVL. I mean, at least it's close, but it's still. No, it's like 3x almost in actual whatchamacalls it. And it's not like the milk token has any value, does it? Like, what can you do with milk? I have no idea. Kopi, 19 million. IAG, 15 million. I mean, maybe. MenSwap at 15 million. This could be if they're the premier deck, say this could be a several hundred million, 500 billion, 500 million, billion. NTX, this is a really strong team. Indy, this one makes no sense. 12 million. Liquid, 5 million. Makes no sense. Sorry. Oh, there's another one I'm interested in looking at besides Axo. Maybe we'll have time to look at today, but that's the Genius Yield. They're doing this. They want to do options, or they're trying to do options. I'm sorry, guys. As much as I'd love to have options, you can't do options on Cardano right now. There's just no market. There's going to be no liquidity in markets for it. They just sound cool, aka cash grabs. You can't do shit with Meld yet. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? Did you know Ricky never told that to Lucy? No. If that's true, you just blew my mind. So here we go. It's in. Is this just a DEX? Oh, I think you can do strategies, algorithms. All right, let's see what we can do here. Let's check this out. Axo Trade. Website. I think I'm going to have to change my wallet. So let's do this, because I don't want to deal with sign in. Oh, they were gonna make me use. Switch the Eternal browser extension and activate a DApp account. What does that even mean? This is one of the problems with Cardano, man. They make shit too hard. Oh. I think this is the wallet I use for Meld. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Switch the Eternal and activate a DApp account. Activate a DApp account. Way to give good instructions. Frequently asked questions. Nope. How to use testnet. Is there something pinned? Assholes, bro. Like, use your heads. Is there an announcement on how to do this shit? Oh, here we go. Bella's in the house. Good morning, brother. I tried that. It sucked. What's that? I tried. On I don't know what that is. Cardiologist ain't going to 20. What does that even mean? Oh, Cardano. You say it's not? Well, you got two people that disagree with you. I don't know. It might. If it does, I might buy Cardano. Like, say Cardano goes to 15 cents. I'd probably buy some, but I don't know how much. I should get some money at the end of the year. So if Cardano is below 20 cents at the end of the year, I might buy another bag. Same time, I kind of don't care. I got enough skin in the game to be just fine. If we get back to all-time highs, I'm not going to be sitting there saying, "Oh, I should have bought another 5,000 of Cardano at 15 cents." I mean, maybe I should have, because that 5,000 could turn into 50,000, 70. That's a model 75. That's a Model Y. Now my Model Y is more expensive because I got to get that bitch wrapped. That's another $7,500. You think I'm not going to get it wrapped? All right, launch testnet. Well, that should have opened in a new tab, assholes. The wait is over. Let it get started. Axo basic. Okay, so it doesn't tell you. You can earn with strategies. This looks pretty cool. I wish I could use it. I'm a highly skilled network, system, and cloud engineer, and I can't do this. You think there might be a problem? I mean, I can't be that stupid. I wonder if NAMI. Switch to the Eternal and activated DApp account. Okay. The app allow list. Do I need to add it here? Shouldn't it ask me? I'm going to move this to its own window. Hey, does this not tell you how to use it? Their browser is annoying because you can't You can barely see the scroll bar. People put no thought, or they're just lazy. I don't understand. What to expect? You can jump straight in. Oh, no, except that I can't. HGAP blows. I don't know where the best place to do options are. It used to be through Ledger or whatever, the FTX place. Dude, buy a moped, be fiscally responsible. Yeah. If I'm in the 2 comma club, I'm getting a freaking. If I'm in the Dose comma club, I'm getting a Model Y, bro. I'm gonna get a car worth more than my house. Got hauled away. What did I miss? A dummy not being able to figure out how to do a simple. I can't even log into the test net, and these guys don't have any setup and fun. Here we go. Let's do this. Go to Eternal. There we go. Now we're cooking. Pre-production. All right, so I'm on the wrong test net. Pre-production. All right. Anyone that wants to do this? Yeah, it's a new. Oh, I mean, they've been around a long time, but it looks like very promising tech. Wallet settings. They make it very hard. Let's see. Once your wallet, so I got to create a wallet. Open wallet. Choose a wallet. Add a wallet. Create a wallet. Ugh. NAMI pre-prod. Axo. I don't know that I'm gonna. This better not. Ugh. If I have to do like a seed phrase, bro, I'm gonna be very bummed. Each account save. This is the simplest way. I confirm that nobody can see my screen. Yep, gotta do a seed phrase. Make sure that you write down. Then this one sucks because they don't have a way for you to copy it. I mean, technically, I don't know that I care, guys. Do I care? They're probably gonna make me freaking. I think I'm a fast typer. I gotta type them all back in. Oh, fuck you. Oh. I am so frustrated. This is terrible. And I would just use my freaking Ledger, but we all know how much of a pain in the ass hardware wallets are on Cardano. Oh, come on. I understand. All right. It's all about Nami. Oh, I do all in dump all my Charlie. What are you talking about, Quake? What do you mean? What am I doing with my life, Ricky? What are you doing with your life, bitch? I wonder if this lets me connect now. Oh, I gotta go like that. That's what they mean. That's what they mean. Come on. Come on. You gotta set collateral. Confirm wallet ownership. What? Watch him ask me to enter my seed phrase. Now, if you ever get to a spot and they say, please enter your seed phrase, you know you're effed. And it's gone. By the way, I'm using my NAMI on Eternal. All right. Now I think I need to get some faucet. What? Axo? Yeah, there we go. See, you can create strategies. You can create DCA strategy, market with slippage, market making. This is all very busy. Bro, this token doesn't even exist. I have not even begun to assess how much this project can be worth. Will say again, I don't. Let's take a look at the white paper or a little bit about their site. If it's locked up tokens, I'm not going to be a fan of it. You can probably make some money buying it early. History of finance. This was created on 21st of October, 2 years ago, almost to the day. X is a protocol counter developed to show blah, 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 blah. Yeah, that's a big ass white paper. They're throwing in a bunch of jargon. Efficient market hypothesis. Just pulling shit out of articles. Automated. Way too much explaining of what certain things are. I mean, I guess it's a thorough and efficient constant function. They're talking about different types of market makers. Constant mean. Concentrated liquidity, capital efficiency, impermanent loss, risk control, Cardano and the UTXO. This is what's next. Providing increased build architecture, pipeline, memory, NFT, blah, market order, blah. Yield curve, yield farming, ADA staking rewards. Now we're talking. ADA staking, the architecture, blah, 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 emerging. Come on. I don't know how the token, like, can you earn the token? Or do you just buy the token? And what does the token do? Is it just a governance token? Create an algorithm. Asset. Oh my goodness, bro. Edit. You gonna use JSONs? Run a validator? I mean, this is some shit I might play with later, but composer? Full flexibility. I don't know if this stuff's ready or not. Trade, markets, tokens. I don't think it's buying and lending. Is it just trading? And is there any leverage trading? I don't see leverage trading, which is kind of a meh. All I see is a complicated ass DEX. Is anyone really going to want to use it? Are they going to have their own LP? Is it an aggregator? I'm assuming it's an aggregator. And how do you earn tokens? Let's see, frequently asked questions. How do I check how many? What is the Axo Vault is your central hub for managing. Not only can you claim and withdraw airdrops. We don't have a launch date. They have, yeah. There's just so. I barely know what this is, other than a place to trade and create algorithms that maybe 3 people on the planet will F with. Indexes. Advanced. I wonder if you're going to be able to see other traders and they're going to create strategies. Are they going to add leverage? So many questions. Someone get the Axo team on the line for me. Stat! Synthetics. Yeah, great. You're going to explain what synthetics are, but are you going to have derivatives? Are you going to have this stuff? Why are they going to have options? They're going to have options, it looks like. They're talking about bull spreads. Oh, Jason, boner time. Short straddles, collars, iron condors. What's a fig leaf? I don't see jade lizards on here. I don't see strangles and many more. Strangles the number one. Strangles, iron condors, and jade lizards. Arbitrage, oracles. Which oracle are you going to use? Are you going to use Charlie? 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 Alexander in the house. How you doing, brother? Long time no see. This is going to get a Pepe. Jason trying to get banned into this, but the joke is I know your joke. This was the joke. All right, Tom's very impatient this morning. He needs to go paint. Yeah, I definitely need to go paint those. I haven't been drinking caffeine, so I almost catered this morning and had a pre-workout drink. My sleep app says I should feel like a freaking 18-year-old stud. Today's readiness great, sleep fuel rating premium, but I got brain fog and what am I holding? I am holding, good sir, Charlie, a little bit of IBTC, but I'm going to sell that. I have 4,500 Charlie. I might add to that. I have 7,000 NTX. I might add to that. I've earned some SPF. I bought 12,000 Rejuve. I probably won't add to that. I have my concerns about that team. I have 1,800 World Mobile Token. I love this project. I might add to that. So I want to add to Charlie. I want to add to World Mobile. I want to add to NTX. These are all high risk plays, but I'm really big on Charlie. I think Charlie's going to explode. I think all three of these are going to continue to explode. I love what they're doing, and I'm looking for more opportunities. Not a lot, This is maybe 2% of like my Cardano is in this stuff. I got some min swap. It's not enough worth mentioning. Jason's big on the min swap. I like min swap a lot. Don't get me wrong. I think it could do really well, but here's the problem with min swap, man. We're going into a bull run, and they've been around, so I don't know how much money they have, how much runway they have, how much money they're making versus someone coming out and being the new hot ticket in a bull run. You know what I'm saying? So I would be a little bit concerned about that, and they have a really high emission rate. So those two things concern me. That being said, as I've said numerous times, MinSwap's market cap is 15 million ADA. So that's more like $4 million. No, that's in dollars, $15 million. This can easily 10x, 20x, 50x, easily. But so can other tokens I like. World Mobile Token. World Mobile Token can become a multi-billion-dollar project over time. They're building. This is real fi. This is real world finance. There was a guy on Twitter that bought an World Mobile Token eSIM data for going to Disneyland. This shit is real. People are using this. People are buying this. It will gain traction, especially in third world countries like, Zanzibar, that we've looked at before. So I think this project, and now that they're operating in the United States, they're like the 50 some largest, like this could gain a lot of momentum. A lot of momentum. I don't know what that means for the value of the token, and I haven't looked at the tokenomics too much. Again, the NTX team's really strong. The Indy team's really strong. Oh, I have Indy. I have 1,000 Indy. I have more than 1,000 Indy. Just staking it. I'm a huge fan of Indy. What is Indy doing? Six Cardano. I'm not on the right wallet. So I think this is the wall. Oh, there's no proposals. I voted, so yeah. Here's my Indy. And I've already claimed rewards recently, so I'm earning Indian ADA. The new reserve currency. What? Not financial advice, but I heard Hamas was using to fund terrorism. Zanzibar leads the world. Kurt, your jokes are just not hitting today. Keep trying though, brother. Keep trying. All right, I'm interested in this. I might have to see if there's some good videos on this rug pull. Looks like their testnet, all you can do is buy and sell Cardano with, I mean, ugh. Again, is there going to be leverage trading? Is there going to be options? Someone get the team on the line. I'm sure there's some. What is this? Wait. Who is this sexy mofo? For watching? Who is this? Wait. Who is this sexy? Only 3 likes. For watching? Ugh. You guys suck. Oh, a new Not Today pal. Hell yeah. Kansas City Chiefs made a huge trade to help Patrick. Give me a break. This guy. A microphone check.
McCole Hardman that he.
This is not a huge trade, bro.
And Isaiah Pacheco, NFL draft, who statistically speaking, currently absolute opposite thing would occur. Patrick Mahomes would spread the ball.
McCole Hardman hasn't done shit for 2 years.
I mean, in my head, I would think that that's Garrett's exception. So
I like McCole Hardman, but let's see. TVL surges as major protocols step into the AM. All right, Axo, Foley. Axo testnet 4 months ago. Axo trade updates. Cardano dominate with the testnet 2 hours ago. Let's see what this guy has to say.
Axo have released a testnet version of their DEX. It's more than a DEX. It's absolutely beautiful.
He's overdoing the camera work, right? Watch that. I remember doing that shit.
Axo have released a testnet.
I remember doing all that. I hated making videos. Watch, he keeps zooming in.
Testnet version of their DEX. It's more than a DEX. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's get into it.
Oh, he's got a really long intro. That's when I immediately.
Is something that you just have to see. If you have been playing the DeFi space, is a first orders here, but if you go pro, you do limit orders on here.
I thought that was already available. Yeah, you don't have to do that, bro. I mean, this is not. What's kurtosis? What's kurtosis? They have a metric. Is this supposed to be like implied volatility? They got skew. Oh no, there's volatility. That's pretty dope. Volume. I mean, this is all good metrics. Strategies and trades. Can't all be going. Yeah, but you've just been.
Here you can buy, sell, and direct exactly what you want to trade on the platform itself. Very, very comprehensive. If you're an expert trader, this definitely is a platform for you. But they go through everything, what to expect, and going through all the basics, etc. Now, the interface is more like what you expect from a centralized exchange.
Where's the liquidity coming from?
Really used to Binance or something like that. This is definitely something that you may be familiar with. And this is a composer. This is to be able to build your own trading algorithm, various trading pairs or whatever that's on the platform. Now, let's have a look at some of these strategies here. Now, this trading for a long time and actually understand what they are, and will be able to take advantage of them. So definitely something real that was really interesting here. I have no idea how to use this yet.
Yeah, me either, brother.
I absolutely love what the team have put and everything else around it, and work
well,
out
he's
these
stealing my
strategies
light design.
and then do a couple of videos around it, so maybe we can learn something about
trying to show
trading
off that he's like a
and get some really
kickboxer or
good trades
something.
in on this platform. Now, keep in mind, this is all on testnet
You had to make
at
sure
the
you got
moment.
that in the
You will need
picture.
to connect your NAMI wallet or Eternal,
What's this
whatever
right
wallet
here?
you're using,
He looks
to
like he's
the
like,
pre-pod network,
see a
and then you'll be able to
gauge?
use
Oh,
the
it's
platform
some
itself.
kind of
So
light.
keep that in mind when you did not disappoint.
Now, I'll give you a thumbs up, but that was not a very good video, bro. How many views did that get?
Axo have released a testnet version of their DEX. It's more than a DEX. This guy's got
17K prescribers. Are you kidding me? 420 views. I'm not doing this game right. Oh, look at this sexy mofo. Axo Trade Mall the Trader released. Who cares? Axo Trade ISPO drop. DeFi panel discussion. Yeah, there's just not a whole lot of info. They're not answering the hard-hitting questions. Or I'm just not seeing it correctly. Auto-generate smart contracts. Independent fair trades. Okay, order matching. This network of order fairly. So is this, what does this even mean? Every trade decision on automatic, a unique high assurance smart contract known as a programmable swap. I gotta assume this is some form of aggregator. TradFi, everyone wants to put this in there. They have a link right here to how it works, and I'm already on that. Oh, I see what it. Where do the market participants come from, bro? Yeah, I don't know. I'm a little bummed out it doesn't have that information, but whatever. It looks like promising tech. We'll keep an eye on it. Check out Pepe's white paper. What about Axlar? What's that? This guy did a good interview with the. Oh, did he? I haven't looked at Paribus in a while. What are they up to? I barely even remember what they do. They had their hand in too many cookie jars, if I remember. Synthetics. Collectibles, domain names, smart contract insurance policies. Metaverse integration, LP staking. What have they been up to? Is that when is their launch? When is this going to be anything? Go to app. Why is it MetaMask, bro? Some things you can't unsee, bro. Go to Twitter X for better project updates. Yeah. You let me know. Like, I know I'm fading you right now. I shouldn't be fading you because you bring nothing but bangers. But, I'm not, what am I missing? Just give me your elevator pitch. Why it's so great. I'm following them. A cross-chain borrowing and lending protocol for NFTs, synthetic assets. I don't know. Pepe's white paper is too complex. Pepe don't have a white paper. You guys are trolling me. This says Solana. Is this a... Will Pepe reach $1? No chance. Meme coin Pepe white paper. Yeah. All right, let's sip on some Twitter. Oh my goodness. Bison coin likes Axo. Is the best D app on all chains? I don't think so, bro. It's not even. It's in testnet. There is a reason why it's called testnet. There's no pre-sale. Use the platform to earn tokens or market buy on launch. All right, now we're talking. How can I join your shill pump and dump group? It's on all chains. Oh no. Testnet's out. Oh my freaking. What are we at? We're at 36 degrees. I want to buy a new computer just because of fan noise. Man, I was looking at them bitches. Let's see. This is gonna. We need a bull run, boys and girls. 3,500 bucks to get a Windows 11. That only has 2 eggs. 35.99, 38, 35.99. I want a black case. 31.99. Not i9. 32 gigs. Let's see. NVIDIA RTX 4090. Look at the size of that video card. Liquid cooled. I'm not building my own computer. I'm too old for that shit. Is there a way to mine Cardano? Are you serious? Yes, bro. First of all, you can't mine a proof of stake chain. You mine it by staking it. Is that like, is your blood, is your speech slurred right now? Are you going into a coma? Casca in the house. How you doing, sister? Remember the graphic card shortage? Yeah, that's gonna happen again. Maybe. But I gotta get one of these ordered. RTX, maybe I just get a 4080. 4080 versus 4090. I wonder if there's a huge difference. How much memory does this come with? Let's see. Intel Z 690 2B 2TB